I am happy to announce the recipient of the Alkazi Theatre Archives Theatre Photography Grant 2021, Reshma Tilar, for the project Akam.
The question that one could ask is, can proposing a theatre and photography grant together, can it help us see things differently? Not just the specific forms, obviously, not just theatre and photography, but what else does it say about the world? What else can this veracity help us think about the world? And I have to say that the person who's won the grant, Reshma Tila, her work is headed precisely in those type of questions. The way she's addressing the question of the nightmare, which emerges from the deeply personal, but is really about the larger repressed. It speaks to her own anxieties and dreams and nightmares, but especially in times of COVID, I think being able to see a work or the range of work that she's doing, where it feels like something deeper is being tapped into, which feels off the time, not only of the time, obviously, but the greater sort of anxieties that we're enveloped in and how they find themselves bubbling onto the surface. That is a really, really fascinating thing.
Rashma Taylor's project was an interesting for us for two reasons. One, we have observed she continued the project over last year and there was a certain sense of development. Also, the way she was photographing her experience, there was a certain sense of horror, which is very evident in cinema but not really present in photography, at least in the context of South Asia. And we thought there's a very interesting space for development.
What we really liked in the proposal submitted by Reshma Tilar was her commitment to her project. She has been working on it since 2016, as well as the way she has been expanding on it and exploring with preparatory drawings and photography. Obviously, Reshma, in recreating and reenacting her dreams, is using the staging and photographic process as a cathartic tool for herself. However, and in relation to the viewer, the images she's producing are both familiar and uncanny. Project Akam blurs the line of what is personal and intimate and what populates a shared imagination. And I'm very excited to see the different directions the project would be able to take.
Hello everyone, this is Reshma Tilar. I am grateful to the Alkazi Theatre Archives and jury members for this incredible opportunity and the Alkazi Foundation team for being immensely supportive and empathetic throughout the submission and selection process. I applied for the theatre photography grant last year with a work in progress version of my project Akam. The project got a special mention and that motivated me to work on this project further. Previously, I was reluctant to work on certain images, thinking they might be controversial or might not be easily acceptable for the public. Later, I realized this project should be given the attention and importance it deserves. To me, art is meant to be bold and unapologetically beautiful. Last year's project was centered around working on my sleep paralysis episodes, and I thought that was the only issue I was dealing with. But once I resumed work on Akam, I did way more research and understood that I might be dealing with something more. I consulted a psychiatrist and I was diagnosed with severe OCD and blasphemous obsession. So the person is fixated on obsessions that are based in religion or religious beliefs or around beliefs concerning morality. I am a deeply religious person, so this was really hard for me to deal with thoughts like this. But self-censorship was not the only roadblock I encountered working on Akam. The camera gave up on me. I wound up having to work with my phone. The phone ended up being quite considerate and gave me fairly usable pictures. Also, due to the pandemic, none of my friends who modeled for the previous proposal were available. Usually, I would make rough drawings of the figures and explain to my friends what to do while allowing them the freedom to improvise the poses. This time it was different. I asked my husband to be the model. He was really uncomfortable doing certain shots. He practiced the posture several times so he could give the best. I made a storyboard and I felt like a stage director, showing my model even the tiniest bit of detail. And I understood even standing still requires skill and patience in theatre. I want to also state that this project is a tribute to all the artists and people who are out there fighting mental health issues and still going out every day to work and make people smile and survive. Thank you.